Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well, taking care of yourselves as much as you're taking care of your loved ones. So if it's the very first time you're seeing this face, hi, my name is Natalia and you're welcome to my channel. I make a lot of videos on pretty much everything and anything in life, so you can go ahead, check out my videos. There could be something that you could relate to. Be kind enough to subscribe, it's absolutely free. Click the bell icon. Each time I come up with a video, you get notified there. Even don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Today I'm going to be speaking about something that I started 1 or 2 months back. I had uploaded a video titled My Lesson to Happiness on self-acceptance. I'm going to be linking it down in the description box. You can go ahead, check that video. And today I'm going to be speaking on my lesson to happiness, being grateful or gratefulness. Now in this difficult time, I assume that everybody's life somewhere or the other has been really difficult, but I want to take a moment and tell you that it's very important to learn to be grateful. Trust me, even I find it difficult at times. In fact, I have started incorporating learning to be grateful or being mindful to be grateful, irrespective of what you've gone through in your past, irrespective of anything that's happened in your past. Learning to be grateful is definitely something that's going to help you become a better human being. And this is something that I'm not just talking out of the box, but I have started implementing it and it has worked wonders for me. Because of the lockdown, most of us have lost our jobs, most of us are having financial problems. But if we learn to be grateful for what we have rather than assuming what we could have had, that simple meal that is laid on your table could be just simple dal chawal or maybe even kanji water, and if you're grateful for that meal, that simple meal becomes a feast with your family. So that is the power of gratefulness, and this is what I have experienced in my life, that gratefulness, it makes a house a home, rather I would tell you, because just being grateful makes one another start loving each other more. I know family members love one another. Family members, even though we fight, even though we have difference in opinions, definitely we love each other. But then if you have a sense of gratitude, helps to strengthen, helps your bond to deepen, helps your bond to grow. I mean, definitely there is love, but what is that love if it's stagnant? What is that love if it's not appreciated? What is that love if you're not grateful about it? So take a moment out to to be grateful. It takes very little, or rather it takes nothing, if you express that gratitude every day. You will see your relationship become better each day, definitely glowing each day. So make sure you go ahead and express gratitude. Remember one thing, that gratitude is something, or rather being grateful is something that helps you grow. It helps you learn, it helps you understand things better. You become a better person because your relationships around you gets strengthened with just that simple act of being grateful. Many of us lose out on our relationships in life. Many of us are just existing in relationships because we lack gratitude. Even though we love the person, we do not feel the need to express it. We do not feel the need to show that gratefulness towards that person. Appreciate what you have and forget what you could have had and what has happened and what's the past. Just forget, just hold on. Things are going to clear out, but what's going to remain with you is that amazing, that beautiful bond. And the last thing is that learning to be grateful is very difficult, but the easy way to being grateful, learning to being grateful, is through prayer. You need to pray, because prayer gives you the power to be grateful. Prayer gives you the power to love in the most difficult situations of life. So please go ahead, take some time out and pray. Prayer has been something that has taught me to be grateful, and I thought of sharing this with you. I hope this little message helps you and you think about it. So this is all for now. Please take care of yourselves, take care of your loved ones, have a wonderful day, and enjoy every moment of life, irrespective of the problems around you. Live each moment as it comes. Keep praying, keep having faith in God, and trust His plans for you. Stay blessed and stay happy. Bye.